You're not going to believe this shocking development in Post Malone's life. The megastar just pulled off what might be the smartest legal move we've seen from a celebrity this year, and it could save him millions. This is a custody battle that's about to get wild, and I've got all the exclusive details you won't hear anywhere else. Did you know the timing is everything in legal battles? Well, Post Malone certainly does. The Sunflower singer just scored a major victory in his custody case by filing first in Utah, beating his ex-fiancée to the punch, who filed her own petition in California. And this strategic move could potentially save him millions in child support payment. I know what you're thinking. Wait, Post Malone has a child? Yes, he does. While he's kept his personal life extremely private, Post welcomed a daughter with his then-fiancée in May 2022. He's never publicly revealed his daughter's name or shared photos, telling See Our Fashion Book, "I don't want to post any pictures of my baby because I want her to be able to make that decision whenever she wants to and is ready." But here's where things get interesting. Post's former fiancé, Heung Jamie Park, just filed for full physical custody of their 2-year-old daughter in Los Angeles earlier this week. According to the legal documents, she's willing to share legal custody with Post and allow him visitation rights. Many people assumed she would easily win this case, not so fast. What Park didn't realize was that Post had already made his move. Sources say Post had already filed his own custody documents in Utah, where the former couple had been sharing 50-50 custody of their daughter before their split in late 2024. And since he filed first, the case will stay in Utah rather than California. A crucial distinction when it comes to child support payments. You might be wondering why this matters so much. Let me break it down for you. California courts typically order significantly higher child support payments compared to Utah courts. By ensuring the case remains in Utah, Post has potentially saved himself from much costlier financial obligations. This is especially important for someone of his wealth and status. Now, I'm going to tell you something that most commentators aren't talking about. According to insiders, Park relocated to California at the beginning of this year after the couple ended their relationship in late 2024. Some sources claim this move was financially motivated, potentially to establish residency in California to take advantage of the state's more favorable terms for custodial parents. But Post was one step ahead of her. If you're wondering what Post is asking for in his filing, that remains a mystery for now. His custody documents are currently sealed, so we don't know exactly what he's requesting regarding custody arrangements, but his proactive approach has already given him a significant advantage. This all comes during an incredibly busy time for Post Malone. He's about to kick off his big stadium tour starting April 29th, with dates running through September, and he's also collaborating with Morgan Wallen on a new song called I Ain't Coming Back, set to release on May 16th. Despite his professional success, this custody battle shows how deeply personal issues can affect even the biggest stars. In previous interviews, Post has opened up about the challenges of balancing life on the road with fatherhood, saying, "It's really tough not being able to see her, but it is heartbreaking having to leave and not be able to be with her all the time." I want to ask you, do you think celebrities should have to pay more in child support just because they earn more? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you've ever been through a custody situation yourself, I'd love to hear how you handled it. Speaking of moving on, Post has reportedly already moved on romantically and is currently dating Christy Lee, a student at Parsons School of Design. The couple has been spotted together on several occasions, including a romantic dinner in Paris earlier this month. The outcome of this custody battle could set a precedent for other celebrity cases. By filing first in Utah, Post showed that preparation and timing can be everything in legal matters. And while both parents clearly want what's best for their daughter, the financial implications are impossible to ignore. This situation reminds us that even megastars face the same challenges as regular people, just with higher stakes and bigger dollar signs attached. The courts will ultimately determine what's in the best interest of Post and Jamie's daughter, but Post's early legal move has given him a significant advantage in shaping how this plays out. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more celebrity legal drama and breaking news. And check out my video on celebrity prenups. Trust me, you'll never look at Hollywood marriages the same way again. Until next time, stay curious, and I'll see you in the comments.